I did it to Peyton Manning. Now we call an all-out blitz.
Eric Lake, what's up? What's going on? Eric Lake, what's up? Oh, what's going on? Yeah, I did. I did see your messages, man. Another great day. Yeah, for sure. Did see them. Yeah, for some reason I try to get alerts. I try to get alerts for the so when I'm tagged, but then I end up getting alerts for everything, so it's kind of weird. Hey Sean, what's up? Corey? Oh, you didn't know I have a Discord? Let me post it because um the link expires all the time, which is a pain in the ass. Jumir. uh Let me link it in the chat here. I'm working with one monitor right now, so sorry. There's a Discord link. Bang, right there. All right, how did everyone do today? No, I was on his alt account, yes. Fine, I think it's been my lucky citizen watch that you wore. Oh, nice, man. Nice, Eric. Yeah, that's the key. You know, basically the trading is just sticking with your edge, right? There's a million ways to make money in this market, and it's just about sticking with the edge. So I had a pretty good day. I actually called it early. This account is near nuked, but it's been nuked. $24 left in drawdown. I might try to send it during news or something with like 1 micro. See what happens, but I ended this account 195. I ended this up 1,547. It is a starter account. I could have passed it today, but I just wasn't feeling it. Like the market just, I don't know. Pretty decent day. I mean, I locked in, I told you guys I locked in that Fuelnox payout. So I got paid today from the two Fuelnox. So, and then I locked in that other one. So I'm going to submit that Friday. So pretty good week so far. Thank you, Eric. Keegan in the house. Amelia, how are you? I got some sun today. Amelia, did you go outside today? I got some sun. Mayor, what's up? Oh, I had a pretty good day on, so I ended up getting paid on the two Beelnox accounts, and then I made like another 500 on those today. So I got the payout, yeah, and I made 546 with three trades on the two master accounts. And this one is on hold. So as soon as the market opens, I'm gonna lock this account out too. So grinding. I did go outside today. I had an appointment, so I had to leave work early. Okay, Amelia. Driving around is no fun. Zabak, what's up? No, kind of a staycation. Kind of a staycation. Just didn't feel like being at home. Forgot I was like watching the chat on here. I'm like, you guys don't want to watch the chat on the watch my YouTube on the YouTube. Yeah, just need another 1,500 bucks. So yeah, I traded probably, Kenny, it's like I should switch to micros and just kind of ease into it, but yeah, I was trading minis. So oh, last Saturday someone sideswiped your parked car. Oh, your parked car. Oh, that sucks. That sucks, Amelia. That happened to my truck. I had a pretty nice truck, and I don't have it anymore. But yeah, someone sideswiped my passenger door and caved the whole thing right in, and I didn't even know about it because I didn't go on that side of the truck for for like a few days. And I come out of my house and I looked inside of my truck and I was like, what the? So it had to happen in like some parking lot or something. But hey, Sherry. You're in MNQ. That's probably safe. Yeah, much safer. Red Dawn's a buck. It was probably June. Could be. Does anyone have one of those accounts yet from June? I don't even remember what they're called. What the heck are they called? I don't even remember the name of the prop firm. So I decided to hop on a little bit early just to hang out with you guys. See how you guys are doing. Hey, Alfred, what's up, buddy? Thrive, that's right, Amelia. Red candles in the house. Corgo, what's happening? Hope you had a good day, Alfred. They already changed a few payout rules, yeah. Lurking like always, that's all, it's all good. I like the lurkers too. You know, I figure there's only about 10% of the people that actually chat. So most of lurkers, which is awesome, perfectly fine. Coach Fred. All right, Corgo, take it easy, man. Appreciate you stopping in. Hit 1800 on my XFA and stop for the day. Nice, Alfred. So I didn't do much trading today. I actually, like I woke up kind of feeling a little anxious today for some reason. Just kind of what I call a mental health day. So, I kind of knew that about myself. And what I did is I just made very few trades. Had some pretty good wins right off the bat, and then I just locked myself out because I just knew like if I could get a little tilty. So when I woke up this morning, because I was feeling very anxious, so I just locked myself right out. So it was a good day. Nutty's lurking. I'd be willing to bet, Coach Fred. I wish you'd say hi. I love Nutty. I've been following Nutty for the longest time. And yeah. My top step payout hit right at 418. Nice. So I did get paid. If you guys didn't hear, I did get paid on Buell and Ox today. So if anyone questions Buell and Ox, I did get paid, hit the bank. You have 24 master accounts in Buell and Ox and have taken 4 payouts, 92, and have 92 evals. Kenny? Oh boy. Hope no one's watching. Kenny. That is crazy. Save some money for the rest of us, huh? It is an addiction, Eric. You got to be careful. I mean, this game is can become an addiction. It's a form of gambling. So yeah, you got to be careful. That credit card, it's pretty easy to just click the button and buy new evals for sure. I had 24 over the year. I have 7 now. Oh, okay. I thought you had 24 now. I was like, wow. Like, you've kind of slid under the rug there. 90% off sales is like when the crack dealer comes to town. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, and I know too, Design, because my affiliates. I know when they're not running a sale. Currently, Apex has the what? The $100 activation fees. That's their appeal. Uh, yeah, Kenny. I was like 24. I think Tradeify has that has 30. I gotta change that. Actually, I'm gonna change that right now. If you guys don't mind before the market opens. If you guys are interested in how you change on the Streamlabs, here you go. I'm getting you a lesson on the cloud bot. All right, change that. So yeah, currently Tradeify 33% off all accounts. You gotta, if you want to give me credit, you have to use my link. I can find it in my descriptions, or sometimes it pops up in the cloud bot, and then use code June, and that's how I get credit. Sometimes I get credit, sometimes I don't. I am grinding my way to my own code, but it's very slow. I have to make $1,000 in sales with Tradeify to get my own code. So do they have Project X? I know they're getting Project X, Sherry. I don't know if they have it yet. And I wanted to ask you which other firms besides Apex Milanox do have 90% sales. None that I trade with, Mayor. There could be some more, but I don't trade with them. So like Eric says, Futures Elite. I don't trade with them. What's up, Discipline Trader? FTT Daytona accounts. Those are my favorites. Requesting my 2 Milanox evals tonight. All right, man. Oh, you're requesting to activate them. Oh, okay. You like Project X? Yeah. It's a love-hate thing for sure. I don't mind it. I think it's super easy to use. Basic. I like basic anyway. I don't really use much, but I mean, I do. My first love is Tradeivate. But yeah, that'll be cool if Tradeify gets Project X. That'll be sweet. They do have Tradeivate, so Tradeify has Tradeivate. Yeah, lots of weird rules, right? Design with ETF, with Elite Trader Funding. Yeah. Do you like him, Eric? Yeah. I guess if you follow within the rules, but I guess you gotta really know the rules. Top one, yeah. I mean, the newest one is the Stop and Shop or Chop Shop or Prop Shop or whatever it's called. Oh, logical thinker, yeah, for sure. Yeah, if you sell add-ons and indicators on Ninja Trader, yeah. Pork Shop Trader, Keegan, yeah. Yeah, I never used them either, Amelia. I actually do have an affiliate code with them. I just signed up for them when they came out, but I don't promote them just because I don't know. Yeah, For sure, crypto. I mean, more than some of the others. But it is nice that we have all these options now with prop firms. I mean, back when I started, it was like UProfit and Top Step, and I think that was like the only ones that I actually knew about. Apex was brand new. Um, you're gonna add on My Funded Futures, but haven't decided which account. Keegan, do you get payouts regularly? Because I might help, not financial advice, but I might help your decision. UProfit, yeah, they screwed my brother over back in the day, like till I do dumb stuff. So Keegan, the starter account, the plain old starter, is my favorite, but because you only need the $500 days. But if you want to try to like really build a big account, then the expert is the way to go. The starter plus, the only difference between that and the starter account is that there's no consistency, but they still cap your payouts at 1,200. So it's easier to build a big buffer, so you don't, or whatever, with starter plus, but you still cap your payouts at 1,200. So, and if they ever try to make you go live, I think with a starter account, they cap you at like 2,500 on that account for a live account. With an expert account, I think you can build it. I think you can go in live with a bigger amount. So, anyway, it's just my 2 cents. I mean, if you're looking for cheap evals or learn to trade, day traders might be a good cheap eval. Yeah, Amelia, for sure. So like I said, I do have a day traders code. You can use code PINE. I don't think anyone's ever used it, but because I don't promote them. But if you are using day traders, feel free. Oh, you're requesting Billinox payouts. Oh, okay. Great, Coach Fred. That's awesome, man. So if we request today, or because the last week's payouts were already approved and paid today, so if we request after today, then we should be good for next Wednesday, I'm thinking. I'm starting to figure out how Billinox works with their payouts. Because I requested on Friday, and then they paid me on today. Last Friday, and they paid me today, so. Massive gap down is what we're thinking. All right, here we go. Magic 8 ball. Here we go. Massive gap down. Question mark. Get out of here. Shake the ball. Without a doubt, man. Massive gap down, without a doubt. Got 30 seconds. Hey, Lobber Dauber, what's up? Think we're gonna stay coiled until some catalyst? Yeah, I think so too. Logical. Which sucks for streaming, but. So, did we get a gap down? No. Not really. Maybe a small one. It is trying to push down though. Hey Taylor, what's up? Cav, what's going on? Corey, 2S, what's up? Seven's in the house. John's in the house. Dinner club. Just hanging out, eating dinner, watching us degen. His Royal Trades, what's going on? If you guys are just coming in, smash the like button for me. Let the YouTube algorithms know that we exist. Appreciate that. Hey, thank you, Taylor. 108 viewers. All right. Hey, Dawood, what's up? No, Disciplined Trader does not. I have not noticed any issues with flipping Buellnox being a certain amount. But if anyone knows for sure, but no, I don't. Actually, I want to check my Buellnox. Make sure I'm at day 10. Can I do this without showing you guys my passwords? I think I can. So I'm working with one screen today, so tomorrow night I'll be back home working with two screens. What am I looking at? Oh yeah, reports. 27. Oh yeah. So I can request a payout. Sweet. All right, I'm requesting a Buellnox payout right now. It says to get paid on the 11th, right? Yeah. Let's do it. Let's get that submitted. How you like that signature? It's pretty bad, huh? All right, submitted. Let's do it. All right, back to the markets. That's so nice. That's 4,500 this week from Buellnox. The 8-ball did lie. Stupid. You know why? Because I got that 8-ball. I bought it off Temu. I bought that 8-ball off Temu, and that's why it lied. I should have. I think it's broken. I should have bought it from Spencer Gifts or something. Eric saying hi to everyone. Yeah, Kenny. So they did say I'd get paid on the 11th. So that will be next Wednesday. So that's fine. So it seemed to have worked. So that's sweet. Ripping and dipping. What's happening? It's going okay. It's going okay. Can't really complain. Hanging out with you guys. So I have this prediction that it's going to be a slow market tonight. So I do have gold pulled up. I have gold fixed, the data fixed. Is anyone still having delayed data on my funded futures? I forgot how to fix it already. Sorry. I was gonna tell you. Maybe it's not showing because I already fixed it. Ah, never mind. Skip that. All right, print it. Oh, that was gold. Gold printing an inside bar. So I need to flip this account. So I'm gonna flip this account real quick. You guys don't mind. This pro account, I am down currently. I have $944 left in drawdown, so have not had a winning day on the pro account. I am trying a systematic trade and it's not working. That's all right. Let's see. I need to flip this account real quick.
Order working.
So don't copy this trade.
Stop fill. Order cancelled.
Okay, that account is flipped. That was to impress Fred. Look, P&L 0, 0, and still counted as a trading day. See? Trading day. Okay, that's flipped. The market slowed down. DJ Tiger gets. Yeah. Oh, logical. Yeah, it does. Boy, it took him forever to get my Pro Plus account when I had a Pro Plus account, TPT. But yeah, Michael Giannis, use your code for Take Profit account today. Nice. Oh, no, Michael Giannis. You kidding me? Really? So I had that happen too. Take Profit Trader. So I would imagine you're not the only one. So right here, this pending account still says pending, and they did credit my account, but it's just pending, and it just won't leave. I'm assuming it'll stop once it expires, but yeah. Definitely having growing pains. Take Profit Trader. Hopefully they can get that shit resolved because it's annoying. All right, push down to the VWAP. Kind of like that. That sucks, Michael. Hopefully you can get that. Hopefully, I'm sure they'll resolve it, but damn, it's so frustrating. So they've been having all kinds of data issues and stuff. Too early for a brew? Never. I got the Gatorade going right now. I was outside most of the day, so feeling a little dehydrated. For the pong. The Gator Trader Aid. That's right, Gator. The Gator Trader Aid. Jumaid. Nice harami. Well, kind of a harami. I don't know what they call these. Hammer candles. I went to pass one of my evals earlier instead of entering in with 5 micros. I did. Oh, I've done that. Went in with 5 minis. But you passed anyway. That's good. Got you again, man. Yeah, I have 100% done that. I've done that on a personal account. I accidentally went in with 50 lot on a personal account by mistake. That'll make you pucker. Micros. ARP candles come along on a funded account and my funded futures. No, I ain't the skater trader. That would be cool if a streamer threw a party and we all met in person. I'll bring hella plants. So supposedly there's gonna be a DGen con for 0 Day J when he gets 10k subs, and I would imagine he's gonna get there within 6 months, I would say. And supposedly, yeah, we'll all meet out in Vegas, so that'll be cool. If I get 10,000 subscribers, I'll do something. But y'all have to fly up to Maine, though. If I get 10k subs, which will happen, I don't know when. Could be years from now. I could be dead before I get there. I don't know. But yeah, I'll have a giant lobster feed. DGen Con, Nestor, I will go to Vegas for that, for sure. 100%. I'll fly to Vegas for that. I was supposed to meet up with 0 Day J when I was in Vegas last anyway, and I stood him up. If anyone knows that story. He gave me shit about it for at least 2 weeks. I went to a magic show instead, instead of going to dinner with him. He invited me. Super cool guy. Super gracious. He invited me to dinner, but I had plans to go see a magic show, and that was not a lie. And then the day before, he had soccer games with his kids, soccer tournaments. So, but yeah, 0 Day invited me out there for dinner, and I stood him up. So, but yeah, 100%, man. I get 10k subs, we will throw a Pine Tree Trader lobster boil. I missed out on the sizzler of the red lobster. He probably took me to Red Lobster or showed him how to eat a lobster. I did the opposite yesterday, bought 2 and thought it was a mini and didn't realize it was micros until it oh, Pine Fest, I like that. Yeah, we could have Pine Fest. We got the land, we could get a band or a DJ or something and rent a big tent. Get one of those big tents or something. That'd be fun. Yeah, next time I go out, Fred, I'm definitely gonna hang out with Jay. Hey, Life App Style, what's up? Good to see you. Alright, I don't want to be looking at Take Profit Trader. I already flipped that account. Let me make sure I exited everything. Okay. Alright. I'm going to work on this My Funded Futures. Countdown here. 195. And I also have a bunch of Buellnox evals I could work on. I got this funded account that I can trade. These 2 accounts... No, this account I cannot trade. So let me lock this one out. This one is waiting for payout. So let me lock that out. These 2 accounts I could trade if I see something super juicy, but Pineapalooza? Yes. 10k subs will do something. Pineapple pizza only? You know I'm always down for some pizza. I don't know about pineapple though. I had pizza last night. I told you guys I was gonna have pizza and some beer, and I had pizza and beer. It was delicious. Nice push up off that hammer candle there. Kind of like a harami, but technically it's not. But the volume's super low. But we do have a pretty nice range. Start. Actually, that's a lie. I had it in fives. What do we have for a range? About 30 points. So that's your safety word, pineapple pizza. Dean Bishop, what's up? What platform are you using there with Buellanox? Project X. So this is Project X for Buellanox. Yeah, the lockout feature is nice, for sure. You have different options too, locking yourself out. Can't see it because it's in blue, but you can lock it out for 15, 30, 1 hour, and all day, or you can do custom. And there's also a bunch of settings in here for account risk settings, which is, handy. So you can set personal daily profit targets or loss limits, and then you can actually have it. So if you hit your loss limit, you can actually have it so it actually blocks you from trading the rest of the day. So, which is nice. And then also, once you set these lock limits in, you can also go down here and lock out the risk settings for the day, so you can't come in here and change it. So it's pretty helpful. It's that guardian angel type stuff. I lived in Chicago for 8 years. Best pizzerias ever. If you ever go, hit up Labara. And for some reason, I've heard of Labara. I think it's probably on the One Bite. Seems like I've heard of Labara. But yeah, I'm definitely, I love pizza. I love watching the One Bite pizza show. I've traveled to New York, New Haven, Connecticut. We have some decent pizza places in Maine, but you have to search them out. And they're all just inspired by places like Chicago or New York or New Jersey and New Haven, Connecticut. If you fail an eval, instead of resetting for $78, can I just buy a new account with a discount? Yeah, I think you can. I think you can. Do I get credit for it though? That's the thing. I don't know if I get credit for it, Mayor. But I don't know. Maybe I do. Probably don't. Talk to you about lobster rolls. Are they legit? So I am not a big fan of lobster rolls, TX. I am not a big fan. I'm not a fan of the cold lobster rolls where they have mayo in them. But I do like a hot lobster roll. A hot lobster roll has it's got melted butter on it, on a roll. So, but just give me a plain old lobster. Let me crack open that baby and just eat it like a carnivore. That's kind of my thing. Well, lobster rolls are super easy to eat, Paid $20 for frozen pizzas. Oh wow. Handmade. I tried a couple haramis today. Worked out pretty well. Oh cool, Joe Buzza. Wondering what you use for TP when the target from previous candle high or low is very close to the entry. So let me read that again. Wondering what. Oh, okay. I know what you're saying. So sometimes the risk to reward is not the greatest. So yeah, I know exactly what you're saying. So something like this one, your risk to reward wouldn't have been very good. It actually did still hit. Let me find another one. All right, like this one right here. Not a very good risk to reward. I still use the bottom of the candle. hmm on inside bars, I'll tend to look for something bigger. I actually took this long here, and targeted the top of this candle here, this data candle, and actually hit. So I'll look for things like that to get run. But yeah, that's a good question. I sometimes question that stuff myself. Like this was a loser. This 250. This is possibly a loser. But it does have a higher win rate. It's a pretty high win rate because I hit about 70%, and then I usually average about 1 to 1. You got a hot loss roll for me? Nice. Oh, thank you, got you again, man. So yeah, if you use my code PINE, I still get credit. Even on the resets, I guess. Appreciate the support too, guys. Really appreciate the support. All right, market's very slow at the moment. I am currently waiting for an inside bar or a harami. It did not work very well last night, the haramis or inside bars. So, I don't know. Without good volume, it's tough. Today was choppy. I missed the trend days. Yeah, like that. I know you go for those bigger swings too, so. But yeah, I missed the 300 point candles. Does anyone else miss the 300 point 5-minute candles? You long, good luck, Eric. Alan, what's happening? Yeah, I'm not at home right now, Alan. I'm in an Airbnb. I'll be back home tomorrow, and tomorrow we will do a giveaway too tomorrow night. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna do a 150K take profit trader giveaway. The account killers, yeah, for sure. They were account killers. They made or break you. Yeah, they definitely. That was wild, historic. What's going on, LO Joe? Look for long about the VWAP. Sold the 4-wheel and took a vacation. Yeah, not much of a vacation, but yeah, I'm not at home. That's an insane giveaway. Someone's gonna get lucky tomorrow. Yeah. So you do have to pay the activation fee with the 150 with the giveaway, but you know you get the eval for free, which is worth what, a couple $100. So, and it's because of you guys using my code PINE that I'm able to do that, and that's I could use these myself, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna give them away. So I appreciate the support, guys. Weekly chart for NQ looks more ambitious than the other indexes. Noteworthy signal or about to be back in line with the others. Let's take a look at the daily. Very bullish on the daily. Just grinding up. Sensei, what's up? What's going on? Long 751. Good luck, Life Fab. New York longs, Asia shorts, been working the last few days. It is kind of looking a little bull flaggy, so that's good for the longs, I'm thinking. We could break this flat top right now. Oh, thank you, Sensei. Yeah, we also have non-farm payroll coming up on Friday too, so it should be. So we got some bigger news coming, and I don't know. I kind of was like, took my money and got out. All right, kind of made new sessions high there at 760, 75. I've yet to take a trade. I am being patient, waiting for a setup. When I trade like these accounts here that are more expensive, so this account was over $100, I'm trying to, like, it feels more like a funded account, even though it's an eval. These bad boys, I'll just throw these around, like, doesn't phase me. These cheap evals, these are $15 a piece. $100 ones, they feel a little, kind of feel like a funded account, so. I do a lot more, I think, trades with the $15 evals. I'm like, yeah, I think it's going up. I'll just click the buy button. Well, that's the way it should be, though, Life Fab. I mean, you want to take, the market's random, so, you know, you want to just jump in. You know, you have an idea, and then you just jump in. So, I mean, that's kind of like what Mark Douglas talks about, you know? Ask Bealonox helped us about the 91% promo. They said it did it to match the competitor's promo. Since the competitor's promo ended, they do. Yeah, Sensei, as soon as, they're talking about Apex. As soon as Apex does any deal, Bealonox will one-up them. That's funny that they told you that. Profast Guy, yeah, those were from before. So that was for the 91% off deal. $15.75 on the Bealonox evals. So that's what you see there. Any tips on how to stay consistent? Yeah, don't oversize. And I do a bad job at that too, so I think that's the biggest thing is with the, I keep going back to the YouTube thing, sorry guys. That's the biggest thing is that people oversize, especially on these prop firms. So I'm motionless, no fear here. Like Fab. Bealonox help desk is really good, guys. I'm telling you, for now, until they get more popular, their help desk is on point, and they've helped me out a few times super fast when I've had issues. So I think I've told you guys where I accidentally paid full price for a evaluation. So I paid like $100 and something, for a Bulanox evaluation when I was supposed to get it for like $15. They ended up crediting my account or putting a credit on my account so that I could use it for future evals or for an activation. And it just happened that I needed to activate an account that day anyway, so they just credited me the activation. So, and they got back to me within like an hour or so. It was great. Hey, Kid Poker in the house. What's going on, buddy? Only goes up. That's right. Oh, nice. His royal trades. Let me actually check my sorry, I'm on black screen again. Market is kind of grinding up at the moment. Just want to check something real quick. All right. All right, trying to push up through that 61 level. There it goes. There's a little pop. Nice little flag pattern there, really, on the 5-minute. Oops, wrong button. On my laptop, so forgive me. Kind of little flag pattern break. Trying the 1-hour Harami Morningstar play. Oh, okay, Fred. I mean, Trev. I don't know why I see Trev and I read Fred. So, I don't know why I do that. 1-hour MGC. Oh, and the gold. Tradeify was also nice recently, crediting me for an eval I had accidentally canceled. Oh, nice, Coach Fred. Yeah, Tradeify is legit too. I need to trade more Tradeify. I got a few payouts with them back 2 months ago, and then I don't know. I haven't been trading with them much. But yeah, currently 33% off Tradeify if you want to use my link and code June. You have to use the default code on not June, but June, the month. It's getting ready to take off. Your last comment? I don't see your last comment. The last comment I see is GG's. You can go ahead and type it again. That's weird. Sometimes I swear YouTube doesn't. Sometimes like things don't pop up. I don't know why. Put in a little Harami here. Do we? Yeah, I don't see it, Mayor. Do I have words blocked in the chat? I don't think so. I don't think I do. I wouldn't imagine I do. I don't really care what people say in the chat as long as they're respectful to me and the other people in the chat and not doing outwardly racist things or something like that. I won't stand for that, but yeah, I don't think I have anything blocked. Still pushing up. I might hop in a long here. I'm actually gonna go to the stock tiger scaling in. Stop below the VWAP.
Order working. Order working.
Basically taking a break off the Harami candle here. Kind of like the touch of this wick up here, untouched wick 777. Yeah, so I learned from the best. I learned from the Tiger King, Cashel. Oh, right, yeah, Amelia. I know there's a place where I could do that. Yes, take off. You can take off now, and then I'm long. Full pour, 35 cons. No. On Vilnox, the $15 eval might have. I've been getting beat up real bad during this market, so. I think we could take out this top wick here. My first target was this wick here, and then this was my second target. I was actually surprised we didn't actually push through that. Let's see if NQ did. No. NQ still has room to go. My birthday is on the 13th, so Friday the 13th this year. My niece's birthday was yesterday. Super easy for me to remember because it's 10 days before mine. I think you blacklisted TikTok in the chat or something. Oh, that's weird. I don't know, Mayor. I have no idea. I don't think I do. Oof, big rejection there. Again. Hey, McLovin, what's up? What's going on? Is it me or NQ smoking crack? It's the Nas crack for a reason, Cody, for sure. Hey, thank you, Rayu. Yeah, super awesome. My brother bought my niece, she turned 5 today, and bought her a bicycle. And yeah, she ripped those training wheels off and she's already cranking on that thing, so pretty awesome. Market only goes up, Kid Poker says. But yeah, that's weird, Mayor. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Bad news, good news, doesn't matter. No, it doesn't. No, I purposely don't even pay attention to the news. I try not to watch CNBC. I don't watch any of that stuff. I don't even look when the news comes out, like non-farm payroll, or I don't even look at it. I'm just looking at like what the market's doing at the moment. So whatever that 5-minute candle is doing, that's what I'm focused on. I made dumb trades today, got burned. Anyone else the same? I traded very little today. I think I made like 3 or 4 trades and that was it. So that's small for me, Cody. But yeah, I mean, some people got beat up today for sure. Pine don't give a damn. Zabak says no, I don't care. All right, pulling back. Massive rejection there at 70 in the 70s there. See if we can hold that VWAP. And actually DCA. And Get 7 says, no. Lost 1 XFA today, but still have 4 left. Damn, today was brutal. Oh, Paul Galat, yeah. That sucks, man. You lost 1 XFA, but it's all good. It's nice about having multiple accounts. And you didn't copy trade them. See, if you've been copy trading them all, you would have lost them all, so. No, don't tank it, Slade. Yeah, it does feel dumpy, don't it? Little bounce off the VWAP. Perma Bear Slade's in the house. What's going on, Slade? Yeah, we could run that wick there. We will run it eventually, I imagine, but feeling dumpy. All right, it's holding up that VWAP right now, 750. Let's see. But definitely a big rejection off the 70s. Inverse head and shoulders. I got small green. I'll try again if it holds higher lows again. Just past the eval count. Top step. Nice. But it's only letting me place one trade before it says rejected limit reach. Any ideas? I'm positive on the count. Day just started. You said you already passed though, Austrian, right? Or I'm confused. So if it's already passed, you don't want to trade it. What are you trading it on to? Project X or hey Michael Penny, what's up? MGC was a small loss. I saw the hammer coming and exited before the flush. Let's check out gold too while we're at it. Yeah, gold is trying to push up too. Dang, I was up 20 points and came back to entry. I forgot the evening is such a small range. Yeah, it is a small range. It's deceiving. It's very deceiving because I usually keep my grids at in tens during the day, and where I just had them in fives or in less. Just I don't know, so it shows up better on the stream, but yeah, you would think this was like a 50-point candle, but it's not. Well, it seems to be holding up here. At night, you have to do three cons for 10 points over and over. Yeah, for sure. Little scalps. I was doing that actually a while back on the overnight streams. I was looking for little scalps. It's actually working pretty good. Have I tried individual stocks? I used to swing trade individual stocks. Yeah. Any idea? No, I was asking you, you said it was already passed, so I'm confused on why you're still trading it. Or are you trading your new funded account? So Top Step, you have to get 50% profit target. New XFA will have a scaling plan. Yes, there's also the scaling plan too. I don't know how many cons you're trying to trade. That could be it too, logical thinker. All right, put in an inside bar here. Put one in on the NQ too. Yep. Breaking that inside bar to the downside. Do I flip the switch here? I'm just gonna bank to the inside bar. It's not gonna work again tonight because it didn't work last night. So maybe it won't work. Maybe it'll break to the upside. Flip it. We dump in trades mislaid. Don't listen to me, suck. No, you don't. No, you don't. I see your payouts. I'm lurking. I see what you got going on. Trades by Slade's crushing it. Crushing it. Hey, Islana, what's going on? All right, back above the VWAP, but it's kind of liking this 750s here. It's just hanging out at the moment. I have to say, Globac's market has been more profitable than the US session. Oh, nice, logical thinker. Yeah, you definitely have a good strat for it. I do not. If we break the upside of this candle here, I might DCA more, keep the stop where it is. Alright, let's see. This could get me both ways here. We saw that last night where it just put in a big outside bar for the continuation. And saw me got faked out twice. Basically adding to this position where I would have probably tried for a long anyway. But we'll see. I'm definitely offsides on this trade. AMD, did I ever trade AMD? No, I used to swing trade accounts with I used to try to learn. I don't know if anyone's watched the Bulls on Wall Street stuff. I used to like that Paul Asmar. No, not Paul Asmar. Paul. I forgot his name. But the swing trading part, he's a pretty smart guy. The day trading things, I don't really know, but yeah, back when I was working full time for the man. Yeah, it's not Paul Asmar. That's the Camelback trading guy, right? Paul Asmar. It's the former floor trader. He uses TPO charts. So I actually been watching him for a while too. Are you in that trading group? I used to be in that trading group. Camelback? Yeah. Oh, what's up, Bo? Cost, looks like I'm not trading overnight again. I didn't last night, probably still waiting till the morning. Oh, yeah. I got long again. They seem to be working way more than the short. I don't know, Michael. My long's not working at all. And trades by Slate is short. Paul Singh, Beanstalk. Thank you. Paul Singh, yes. Pretty smart guy. I learned quite a bit from, about swing trading stocks and stuff, but yeah, market profile, yeah. Yeah, I used to be in that group too, Brian, back in 2021 when I first started. I don't like it either, LifeFab. We are just chopping the VWAP now. So, to me, it's like a coin flip. Overall, we held that range, or this down channel here. Please go up, please. Chat split down the middle. Yes. Yeah, that's what makes the market, right? His royal trades, that's what makes the market. There's someone long and there's someone short. I always find it amazing, like when you have an edge. So I can show you an edge, like I can literally look and say, hey, you know, here's my strategy. This is what I take. And I can just show you exactly like what I do. But like every single one of you will trade it differently, you know? Which is always interesting. The human emotions come into play. Shopping the VWAP. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out here.
Order fulfilled.
Down $96. Let's take a look at gold. See what gold's doing. Sitting right on the VWAP. I don't know if you guys noticed last night. It was funny. Last night my bars were not working, and then the Tokyo opened. Let me go back. Let's see. As soon as I got off stream again, it literally ripped off the inside bar. Might have been this one. Or this one. I can't remember. But yeah, it looks like we're gonna push down here. Check this out. Who up with the trade is failing June pattern forming. I like the 2178 equilibrium of the 5-minute candlestick wick downside, but 21766 1000 tick imbalance upside. Oh, okay. Yeah, LifeFab style. That's a great thing about, yeah, we're always learning different things. So you're down the middle too. Jumping off. Wife gets off in a minute. Thanks. All right, cool, man. Thank you, Eric. Appreciate you stopping in. Appreciate the support too, bro. I hope you're happy. Trades by Slade. I think we push. All right. I'm hopping in. Oh my goodness. Who's messing with me? Is Mo in here pushing the button on his personal account? There's Mo. He's in there. He's in there buying 1,000 lots, messing with me. Mo, the market maker. That's right. I was thinking, like, yeah, maybe we run this wick down here, partially push down this, test this area down here, which we still could. Maybe I'll just move to stop it. Oop, I did not mean to do that. Eek. Just fat fingered that. All right, down 251. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna mess with this account anymore. More to the cheap evals. I messed up that account so bad yesterday. And I had to try to make it back again today. Mo blows your accounts, then comes and slips you a couple hundred super chat. Yes, that's exactly what Mo does. Mo feels bad, so he comes in, gives me the super chats. Yeah, that's funny. I can never be mad at Mo, for sure. Does I see 8-ball up or down? I asked the 8-ball earlier if we were going to have a gap down. I gotta be specific. Well, the market flush here. Right now. Not so good, Slade. Sorry. But the 8-ball was wrong. Like I said, I got that 8-ball on Temu, so we just filled this fair value gap here and then flushed back down. The market is coming down, Kid Poker, so you're looking good. This thing's wrong every time. Yeah. It was spot on the other day on my tweet, which was hilarious. Let's see. So I actually asked this before the market, and I said, would I take out yesterday's lows, which was a mega dump, and it actually hit, which was hilarious. That was my best call out of all time. Yeah, market's down at 750 right now, Kid Poker. $21,750. It's the Temu 8-ball, yeah. TMG just put a new documentary on we can't talk about it, 7. Can't talk about it. Don't get 0 Day J all wound up now. Or 0 Day J, he loves that kind of stuff, don't he? NQ equals 12 years a slave. We swept yesterday's AM buy side push 5-minute displacement and missed the hourly inversion, 21,500. It's the Joker guarantee, 21,500. Sports Don, what's up? You're short from 753. We're sitting right at your entry. So your short is actually the VWAP. Kid Poker. Temu is equals China news dump. Possibly. We need something. I need some volatility. It's a military grade. Let's see what Slade tagged me here. Nice. All right, we're chopping that VWAP right now. We need a little catalyst to make this market move. You're entering long at 749 again, Fab. Good luck. I have to use the bathroom. I'll be right back. Gatorade's gone through me now. That's a dump. Give it up for Joker, yeah. It's calling up 21,500. The Joker trades guarantee. Some streams have the Tom Sabo guarantee, but we have the Joker trade guarantee. You're looking for 650? You're out? Nice. Looking for 580? You guys are going for the big dogs, huh? Big moves. The wood chip guarantee? Haven't seen wood chip today. He might be lurking. Considering major swing points on the 4-hour, next fib is 21,626. Today I realized that different prop firms calculate the trailing drawdown differently. Yeah, I don't really know, Yo Jim. They probably do. I don't know. I try not to pay attention to it. It gets in my head. $60 more and I will pass my first eval. Dice is out. Good luck. I hope you get it. That's awesome. Just remember that you don't need to get it tonight. If it doesn't happen, that's fine. Just be patient with your setup. You'll get it. Katie Lay wants to get to 700 and pass an eval. It's got you paranoid now? Nah. I don't even pay attention to it. Kind of going without me right now. Theoretically, you could short 10 on MNQ and long 1NQ forever. Not gonna do it. Just curious. Nah. Some consider it hedging, but it is technically a different instrument. I don't really know how they classify that. Well, Sohail, Trump is speaking? That's a good thing. That is a good thing. Good thing for the markets. Get them moving a little bit. I mean, we're moving. It's just... That's why they call it turtle markets. My biggest money trade today was when I took the trade and walked away because the price was so slow. That's a strategy that for slow markets for me. Yeah, no, it's a great way. What, the walk away trade? The Joker trade sim going to be patient. Let the hourly accumulate for the next 20 minutes. We should manipulate up around 740 and distribute to the sell side. 750 macro time. Tariffs. Say the word, Trump. Yes. China. Tariffs. So that is something to note. That is something to note, guys. So Trump is speaking, so not financial advice, but make sure you have a stop in place if you're in a trade. Should go without saying, but it happens. I seen someone lose like 10 accounts, funded accounts, on a news candle like that, so it wasn't me. The Joker trade sim, not in yet for the long hold. Just closed my scalp. Just closed my scalp for 10 points. Nice. So you can't go long and short with prop firms? No. No, you can't. Evals, people do it with Apex and Bulanox, but I would not recommend it. Hey, Trace with Jess in the house. What's going on? Good to see you. Congratulations on 10,000 subs. Trades with Jess. So we decided tonight when I get 10,000 subs, we're going to have a little party up here in Maine, so... We're gonna have some lobsters. Hey Nate, what's going on? Good to see you, man. Figured out how to not overtrade, copy trade, lots of accounts. TradeBait locks you out over 5K for 1 hour. Oh wow. But Trades with Jess is at the dentist. That's not fun. There's no fun there. Yes, bring the wine. I'm 80% from 10K. I don't know. That is horrible. Honestly, I have not been taking my PA trades lately with this market, more eval trades. I'm glad. Yeah, if you're not feeling the market, Michael, that's definitely way to do it. 5K, 5,000 orders permitted per hour. Wow, Nate. Lobster party. That's right. You long again, Life Fab? Good luck. I like it off that Harami there. Let's see how this candle closes here. Let me let me walk away. Let that trade cook, Life Fab. We rejected off the VWAP there. What's everyone having for dinner? I'm getting kind of hungry. I had chicken tacos for lunch. And they're pretty good. I could actually eat some more of those. Beef and rice, Roa. June burgers. Ooh, ate some Taco Bell and regretting it. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what I'm having for dinner. Skirt steak and mushrooms over Caesar salad. That's pretty good. A little Panda Express. Panda Express sounds pretty good. Some orange chicken. If you got you again, DoorDash tried to get me to go 30 miles for $3 without telling me, so I had some Taco Bell. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, they're getting pretty sneaky about that, I heard. I still watch the DoorDash YouTubers and stuff. Little Pedro Santiago. Well, what a rejection off the VWAP there, pushing down. Peewee, Payway, Kung Pao chicken. I was gonna get Panda today, but the line was wrapped around. Oh wow, yeah, that's next to my house. We have not next to my house, but next town over. There's a McDonald's, and it's so busy all the time. It's crazy. We don't have many options though. We don't even have a Panda Express. Do we have a Panda Express? No, not anywhere near around my house. I mean, I have to drive 40 minutes just to get to a Chipotle, but Gold's trying to push, NQ's trying to push down. My indicators are not working tonight, so just be aware of that. Ooh, Gold is pushing. Crazy when you think about it, taking into account the eval gains, had to earn 6,600 to withdraw 1K. Yeah, Fred, you're right. And it used to be, well, it used to be kind of worse. Like, Top Step was 2 steps, and you had to make $9,000 just to pass the 2 steps on a 150K account, I believe it was. I don't know, it was crazy. Sore from the gym, Islana? Yeah, I am too, actually. Pretty sore from the gym. But yeah, the 2-step top steps used to be crazy. Gold is pushing higher. NASDAQ is pushing lower. Typical fashion. Yeah, and the second step, do you have to do the same thing again, but scaling roll kicks in? Yeah, full tilt. But yeah, it used to be step 1, and then you'd pay, like, they're expensive. They're like $300. Step 1, you paid $300. Step 2, you paid $300. And then if you wanted to reset those accounts, you could reset them for $99. I remember that. With Top Step. Tiger's long. Whew, I don't know. I mean, gold's pushing higher. Are they still talking? 7? I think I passed it with 2 steps once or twice, and I blew the XFA in 3 days. Yeah, I did too, full tilt. Yeah. Yeah, I've told that story where when the XFA actually went to a live account. They didn't have XFAs. And yeah, they called me when I was in the middle of a trade because I was in a red trade and I was letting the loser run. So they called me, and then I didn't answer the phone, and then they liquidated my trade. The market literally looks like it's standing still right now. The only thing I've seen is gold pushing higher. Thinking about hopping in gold. We'll see. What I am doing tonight, nothing. Hey Jay Stores, what's up, buddy? It's good to see you, man. Tiger singing alert. Tiger's doing the karaoke's. Alright, we got the 5-minute inside bar here. Try it. Might get struck out again. But we're keeping our stops tight, so it's been okay. Getting paper cut a little bit. Short off the inside bar. See if we can run the lows down there. Islana's talking about being sore at the gym, and now my shoulder hurts. Sympathy pain. Everyone needs to read the book, The Bitcoin Standard, as soon as possible. Huh, never heard of it. Hey, gold's still trying to push higher. I'm trying to go for a little momentum play off this inside bar, but definitely not working. Are we getting a Trump rally tonight? We could. Your 18-year-old son loves that book? No kidding. Explains why Bitcoin is the hardest money ever created and will become the basis for the new global monetary system. It's crazy. I do not understand it. Sound like such a boomer. Don't understand it at all. Already is. If I had $1 for every time someone recommended the Bitcoin standard, I'd have about one of 20th thousandths of a Bitcoin. Trader Cat, what's going on? Might have a rejection at 3,400 gold. Could be a good short. Yeah, it could be. It is putting in a bit of a Rami. You lost 8 Bitcoin in 2016 to USI tech scheme? Oh, no kidding, Cav. Wow. Banks and rich people not buying Bitcoin for nothing. Yeah, man, 8 Bitcoin. I don't know, is Trump still speaking? Probably, right? At least it wasn't 10,000 coins in for a pizza. Oh yeah, I saw that video. 10,000 coins. That's crazy. Not like the bank where you can get the money back. No. It's crazy to me that you can do chargebacks with your credit card and they pretty much don't even question it. He's be able to get about anything on the Silk Road. Yeah, Keegan for sure. Think he's done speaking? Okay, good. Didn't really move the market. It must have not said tariffs or China tariffs. Man. I kind of forget that I'm a momentum trader, and then when during a turtle market, there is no momentum sometimes. I always say now that Bitcoin is for scammers and thieves. This scammers and schemers. Yeah, I don't know anything about it. I know my buddy was investing in it years ago too. I don't know if he still is or what, but I don't know. Red lightning bolts 8:15 to 8:30. Yeah, let's check that out. Well, the market's got unemployment. And the big news, Friday at 8:30 or 7:30 Central, got non-farm employment change and unemployment rates. Seems like there's a heavy passive seller. We can't get a momentum to the upside. Let's take a look at the book map. Check out a look at Alex. So we definitely got some volume to the downside, but let's see. No spoofers tonight. Hey! Thank you for the sub. I can't see it. Why can't I see who subs? Adrian, thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. I don't know. I just noticed that CloudBot's not working tonight. Streamlabs CloudBot. So don't forget to smash the like button since CloudBot's not working. Giving you the reminder. And yeah, thank you, Adrian. Thank you for the sub. Thank you for the support. And don't forget to use code PINE. Appreciate the support on pretty much all the prop firms except Tradeify because I'm not cool enough. You have to use my link, my Tradeify link, which no one does. Yeah, there's it's not working for some reason right now. Sometimes it just stops working. I don't know why. Oh, you can see it? I can't see it. That's weird. Oh, you know why? It's because I'm on my weird... Look, it's because I'm on my weird account. I'm on my alt account, see? See? I'm on my alt account. That's why I can't see Streamlabs. I gotta switch over. There, now I can see Streamlabs. So apologize if anyone subscribed tonight, and I didn't call you out. I appreciate the support. That's some bubblegum fronts. JStores is got the munchies. JStores has got the munchies. Think Tradeify is getting Project X. Hey, Ace Poem. Thank you for the sub. Now I can see it. Got the avocado. All right. Tradeify getting Project X in July or end of June. Yeah, Rayu. That's what I heard. That'd be awesome. Appreciate the support. I was a little surprised that Trump didn't move the market when he was speaking. I was a little surprised. I'm convinced now that all top YouTubers are lying, blowing accounts, yet got all this money. Something is off. Zabak, they make a lot in affiliates. A lot. You're talking thousands and thousands of dollars a day. A lot. I mean, we know Patrick Whelan makes about $20,000 a day. FSP is the best example. Yeah, I think that guy makes a lot too. Is that manipulation up? I'll start looking for an entry shortly. They can't really trade them. No. He has 3,000 watching his stream, even if half are buying accounts. That's a nice chunk of change. Absolutely, Amelia. I mean, I make probably in affiliate money, I probably make $50 to $100 a day, depending on if like Apex has a sale. Can you imagine what those guys, and I have 1,500 subscribers. These guys have 3,000 people watching them. Elite Trader Funding, I've never traded with them, Sam. Oh, and someone asked me if I'm short. Yes, I'm short. Unfortunately, I'm short. Off the break of the inside bar, and bad entry, but we're still pushing down, so we'll see. Play YOLO accounts and get people hyped to buy. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, from what I hear, Sam, like people don't like Elite Trader Funding, but I don't know. I've never traded it. I am 5'6". That's how short I am, Joker. Myth makes 14,000 a day. Holy cow, Zabak. I do not. Huh. So I was making 14,000 per month. If I was making 14,000 a day, I would not be worried about paying my ambulance bill that I just got in the mail. Yeah, 5'6" pro fast guy. $14K a month is nice for a month. So Methodical has what, 6,000, 7,000 subscribers. So that gives you a ballpark. FSP stop loss is an account. Not sure how he convinces people to buy mass accounts and gamble. Really smart marketing. Oh yeah, so it's the degen style. Speaking of that, I just realized I didn't have my bracket in. Nate just reminded me. I'm like, I don't have a stop in. Yeah, Myths is a good guy. Myths has been a huge supporter of my channel. He injured himself today, I guess, or yesterday playing baseball. So that's why he wasn't streaming. So I hope everything's all right with Methodical Man. Had me come on his stream when I was brand new, and boy, I was so nervous. So we did a dual stream. I haven't done one since with anyone. I was so nervous. My Funded Futures wants me to come on, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm ready for it. Oh, he injured at scrimmage against the kids? Oh, man. Yeah. I hope he's all right. I hurt his shoulder. Am I ready for the big time? Well, I don't like the anticipation of going on these streams, or, you know, like I get very anxious about that stuff, but like, I mean, they told me like if there wasn't any guests, then I could just hop on or something, but I don't know. PM currently I only have 4 Bulanox accounts and 2 Tradeify accounts. No, Take Profit accounts, and yeah, because I blew my Funded Futures account, so yesterday, so not many. And I try not. I don't really have that many targets. I can show you my calendar. So this account I've had the longest, and I'm getting my second payout on. So this is kind of like a good, pretty good depiction of my trading. It's about 70% win rate. I had a very bad trade, so it kind of threw off the things, but so you can see right here in June, and then this was May on this funded account here. So this actually is an accomplishment. This is April. So this Bulanox account actually is an accomplishment for me. It's my second payout on the same account, which actually doesn't happen very often with me. So kind of cool. Yes, for sure. Seems like you have to go to work, or right? We trade so we don't have to go to work. For sure, Michael. And like, you see that came up to my stop by the tick. I might get lucky on this trade. Believe it or not, that's only 15 points. Thank you, Seven. You're right. You're right. Yeah, I just gotta jump in both feet. Get on that show. Might get a little lucky here on this stop out. That'd be nice for once. I'm pounding this popcorn. Olive oil and Himalayan salt. It's kind of salty, but it's good. So yeah, Michael, I mean, the crazy thing is that it does feel like I have to go to work in a way because now that I got this time slot that people expect to see me, I definitely feel like, oh, I gotta get on the stream, 6 p.m. Eastern. But I love it. So take a look at the book map here. Still got that room to the downside. Just got some volume down there. 735, 730, 725. I very rarely look at this, but for entertainment purposes. We got Tokyo open in about 11 minutes. Do I ever watch rips? No, I have watched rips, but yeah. But no, I don't watch them regularly. I have no idea how to use bookmap. I just sometimes during this market, you'll see people spoofing, and I usually get you guys usually call it to my attention when I'm streaming. You'll be like, "Oh, someone's spoofing like 400 lots," and that's always fun when they do that because the market really chases that volume, especially during this market, like slower markets. So literally by the tick there, I think we get, what was the high of that candle? Hopefully we get lucky. 51.75, and I stop at 752. But originally we got in way over here. We got in off this break of this inside bar here, and we've been sitting in this trade, seeing if it plays out. Roa, what's up? Yeah. Will it sail already? Oh, will it sell already? Selling my short, nice. Good luck. Be up all night to get lucky. Oof. Heard some cracking there. Yeah, in about 7 minutes, the Tokyo Open should get a spike in volatility, so we'll see. Send this thing, Mo, send this thing to 21,600. Release the Kraken. Asia's accumulation stage. Then London usually manipulates, and New York distributes. Yeah, for sure, Joker. That's exactly what it's doing. All right, 743s. Kid Poker's short still looking good. Hopefully he's still in short. Hopefully he's holding it. I think he said he was 753. So about 10 points. That's why Asia is usually sluggish, always up and down in smaller ranges. Yeah. Hey, Honest Take, what's up, buddy? No race tonight. Tomorrow night though. We'll do a moose race. Charles, let's tank it. So yeah, tomorrow night, guys. Stay tuned, but good chance that we do a 150K take profit trader account giveaway. So we'll do a moose race. So stay tuned for that. As long as I get home safely tomorrow. Just wanted to thank you guys for using my code PINE on Take Profit Trader. All caps, so PINE, all caps. I don't know, I'll just give it to you now, Riz Royal Trades. I don't know if TCG Andy is around. Oh, what's a moose race? Have you ever seen the streamers do like duck races? Young Kong. So you ever seen the streamers do duck races? I do a moose race. Yeah, JLS. So I do like the 25K accounts. No, you never seen them do duck races either. It's just like a timer, so it all goes into a all the names that people. If you enter the giveaway, it all goes into your name gets labeled to a moose, and then we race them all, and whoever finishes first wins and gets the giveaway. Sometimes I do cash giveaways, and sometimes I do count giveaways. Now that the channel's getting bigger, I'm happy to do the account giveaways because when you guys use my code PINE on Take Profit Trader, each level, when you guys use, I get free accounts. So I can use them myself, but I'm gonna give them back to you guys. That's my plan. So, oh, we're in the green for a minute, just before the Tokyo Open, and then comes back and rips my face off. Cool, yeah, Young. So we'll start the giveaway tomorrow at 6 p.m. Eastern time, and then I'll run it at the end of the show. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about any of the prop firms like Take Profit Trader or whatever, just hit me up in the chat and I'll try to answer your questions and how the payouts work or whatever. But yeah, JLS, I mean, right now you can get a Take Profit Trader account. A 50K is $119 all in. And a 25K is around 105 all in. So there's no activation fees. Do I trade micros with a I do not, JLS, but should you? Probably. Top step payouts? I haven't gotten a top step payout this year, Crypto King. I got so many top step payouts last year. It was insane, but this year, it's absolutely crazy. I have an XFA curse going on. But I also had a Bulenox curse, and I crushed that. So 1 minute Tokyo Open here. But yeah, appreciate you using my code PINE on Take Profit Trader, all caps. Keep using my code, and I will give away more Take Profit Trader accounts. And is by far my favorite prop firm. All right, here we go. Tokyo Open. I feel like I sold the bottom of this range, but hopefully market moves. Well, actually, I did sell the bottom of this range. Maybe we get some movement here. Thank you, Cashhole. Appreciate the support, man. All right, 7:44 now. Starting to get a little bit of movement. We're starting to get more volume. Tokyo Open now, so starting to get a little more movement. Oh, nice, Cashhole. That's good to hear, man. Glad it went away. I should have a funded, another funded take profit trader by Monday. So that'll give me 2. Hey, Smokey, thanks, buddy. Stock target market orders messing up the trades for the rest of us. I definitely sold the bottom of this range, which is aggravating. I'm still in a down channel, but I'll be at the 10K sub party. Bring the bourbon for sure, man. Do you request daily on TPT account or do you build the account? So as soon as I get over that $2,000 buffer or the $1,500 buffer, I get stopped out there. I request. So I don't care if I make, $50. I still request. As when you get funded, you make, so 25K, you get over the $1,500 drawdown. Anything over that, you can request a daily payout. 50K account, anything over $2,000, you can request a daily payout. So sometimes take $200-$300 payouts a day is pretty sweet. A couple $100 on a daily payout, take profit trader, keeps the day job away. So yeah. And also they don't have any consistency either, JLS. Once you're funded, the evals, they have consistency, so it's 50% consistency. So say you want to pass a 25K account, make $750 in 2 days. You have to trade it for 5 days, but you can flip the remaining days. So, which is what I did on this account. Oops, I can't show you actually. I'd have to sign back in my take profit, but yeah. All right, market's above the VWAP now, 750s. Well, believe it or not, I can't believe that Take Profit Trader still has that sale going on, 30% off, no activation fees. Believe it or not, that is a sale, but it's been going on for like 2 months, and it's great. The only better deal that you'll ever see from Take Profit Trader usually is 40% off, no activation fees, but that's very rare. Very rare. I don't remember the last time we saw that. So. Yeah, as Royal Trades, I think they are overwhelmed. I think they're getting tons of business. And us affiliates have been pushing them really hard too. Because, I mean, they just pay out. You can breathe and relax and get the payouts, knowing that when you request, you're going to get it in your wallet. Yeah, Cos. I like 25Ks for the same reason. You know who turned me on to 25Ks was Methodical Man. So my two single largest payouts with any prop firms were with 25K accounts. Oh, really, Roa? Huh, that's weird. Dan Emmons, Roa? Yeah, that's right. They did have that DLL, that hard breach DLL. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Huh, interesting. Yeah, so I know he got denied way back too for another prop firm, maybe Apex, like way back. Huh, that's crazy. He uses hotkeys. Hmm. I use hotkeys for just for drawing. I wouldn't know how to use the buy and sell stuff. I guess you can. Trade Evade is pretty easy to program, but so currently down 511 tonight on this eval here. Starting in the hole again. Take a look at gold. What's gold doing? Putting in an inside bar in the 5 minute. Got 150 people watching. If you guys don't mind, just smash that like button for me. Just, I know it sounds silly, but it does help out the YouTube algorithms, which is why this channel's been growing so much in this flooded streamer streamer YouTube community. And it kind of feels like we push higher, but oh, boy, none of this has been working. But
Order filled. Order working.
we'll take the break off that inside bar, but it hasn't been working tonight. So, well, not well. Hey, thank you for the sub. Missed who it was. Uh, Joel Regret. Thank you for the sub. Appreciate the support. Welcome to the stream. All right, gold's sitting right on the VWAP. Rayu sitting right on the VWAP at pretty much 3,400. Oh, thanks, Joel. Appreciate you. Tiger Short, order filled, Mr. Order filled. Uh-oh. Oh, thanks, Joel. Gold is very choppy. Hey, full time, what's going on? It's good to see you, man. Order filled times 30. Keep trying to buy the breakdowns and breakouts and getting paying for it when I should just be shorting the range and longing the bottom of the range, shorting the top of the range. That's basically all it's been doing. Same as gold, really, like the last hour. But thank you. Thanks. Just doing the old grind, trying to slowly get over losing my mother-in-law back into the swing of things. Yeah, man. I feel you there, full-time trading. Grief is a mother. I'll just say that. Grief is a bitch. And I'm struggling all the time. It sucks. Never have lost someone that I cared about so much. Uh, so yeah, it's a bitch. So I feel for you, man. Tiger for short, yeah, yeah, it comes in waves. Yeah, it does. Oh, thanks, full time. Appreciate you. Same with you, man. Jinzo, what's up? Check out the beginnings of interactive brokers with Nasdaq if you want an interesting read about automated trading. Oh, my style of trading with these inside bars and haramis could be automated for sure. I wouldn't know how to do it, but definitely be automated. All right, let's short squeeze Tiger, please. No. Never seen anyone take the last breath. I couldn't do anything. Don't indicate. Yeah, I know. Yeah, for sure. Take profit doing the 3 days usually to pass. I like the full market open. Take profit is 5 days, but you can do it in 2. So as long as you stay under the 50% consistency. Yeah, I hear you, sniper. Full time. What did I experience? My girlfriend, or 15 years. Um, I knew her for 20 years. Committed suicide about a month and a half ago. So. So yeah, sucks. But the only reason why I say that is because you asked, but I also had I did post it in the Discord back when it happened, so oh thanks guys. Appreciate that. But yeah, I mean it is a mother to try to deal with for sure. Hey Tatum, thank you. Oh yeah, yeah. I posted because I was gonna be absent, so I was absent for a lot, you know, for a long time. So I wanted to be transparent with you guys, so that way you were you know why I was gone. But believe it or not, coming back to the stream and things like that brought the normalcy. So yeah. Thanks guys. Yeah, full time for sure. Oh yeah, man, Sports Dawn. Yeah, it's like 1 hour at a time. It's crazy, you know. And I've had like really good support, you know, so from friends and family, so which makes it super nice. But so yeah. So we are pushing higher. Oof, there we go. This is a little break that we were looking for. Finally. Yeah, for sure, Casual. Yeah, because you know trading's all mental for sure. So all right, let's short squeeze the Tiger, huh? No, I don't want to see Tiger lose either. But I don't want my trade to lose. I think I can move my stop though. We'll take off some risk. Thanks, guys. Appreciate the support, man. I keep my life pretty private, but you know. But there's definitely reasons why I haven't been streaming in the mornings and things like that, like I usually do. Do I find lots of slippage in Trade of 8? Sometimes. I had a major slippage today on Trade of 8 on Take Profit Trader on a stop out. Boy, I had some slippage. Hey, His Royal Trades, take it easy, man. Appreciate you stopping in. Appreciate the support too. Made only 537 today, and I'm happy with that. I remember back when I started, that was beyond unbelievable. I know, it's crazy. $500 is just great. Scam of 8, yeah, it can be pretty bad. But Project X can slip too quite a bit. Gonna look for a short here. Joker, 775-ish. Oh, and this And 775-ish. Oh, okay. All right, getting a little push up there. Sorry, I'm kind of paying attention to my chat. I'm just paying attention to my trade here. Gold pushing down. Gold pushing up. And Nasdaq's pushing up. Someone asked me a question. Do you get to take profit pro? Do you trade it different than the eval? Not really. I still trade, Joel, I still trade my evals and pro accounts with minis, except right now I'm trying a little martingale strategy with with micros. It hasn't been working, but yeah, I usually just trade minis. I trade pretty much all the same. If I'm trading a cheap eval like this, or like these $15.75 evals, I'm trading them super aggressive, like full porting, 7 contracts and stuff, and that's just real. But yeah, I would take profit trader in my funded futures, with, you know, because their accounts are over $100. I usually just trade like 1-2 minis for the most part. Which is still a lot, but keep blowing my account PA accounts like once I get them. Yeah, so the best, not financial advice, but yeah, the best thing to do, Joel, is to size down, even if it's 1 micro, and then stick to your edge. We're looking for the Joom here. Joom here. Gold is a freak. Yeah, gold's still pushing higher. It is. And Nasdaq's pushing higher, so we have a rarity. What was my fix? So I tried to show it earlier and I couldn't figure it out again. It's something to do on if you go to the Discord here, the My Funded Futures, it's right here. Gotta go to the billing page. View market data. So that's on My Funded Futures. And under the Tradeovate subscription, click upgrade. And then just click the top one, and it should be should see it. I did it earlier. I could not figure out how I did it again. I wanted to show you guys, and I couldn't figure out how I did it yet. But maybe it went away after I upgraded. I don't know. Do gold and NQ usually correlate in the same direction or inverse? JP, usually they inverse. Lately they've been inversing. Tonight, they are going in the same direction. So, but I would say the last 2 weeks or so, I've noticed that they've been inversing each other. So, hey John, pretty good today actually. Yeah, not bad. Finished green on about everything, so it was a good day. I didn't do much trading. I ended up locking myself out this morning. I woke up with a lot of anxiety, and I was just like, you know what? Really shouldn't be trading. So I placed a few trades and then locked myself immediately out, and then I just spent the day outside. Yeah, same with me. Yo, Jim. Um, it was gold that was affected on mine too. But yeah, once I upgraded it, it started working. But it's there's a button. It's just it's stupid, but wish I could walk away from my computer, John King. Yeah, that lockout button helps for sure. Wish I could walk away from my computer. Oh, yeah, I read that. I'll find that G spot eventually. Yeah, anxiety, it's a thing. Finally, after years, I got mine under control about 10 years ago. Yeah, I did too, Sports Don. You know, I really worked on myself for years, and then until this latest incident, kind of like reared its ugly head for the last month and a half. So, but you know, I'm working with professionals and sticking to my routines and doing my meditations and working out and trying to eat pretty healthy and all that good stuff. So, kind of stalling here, but we are just kind of grinding higher. So, you want to see Stock Tiger go full human algo? Is he still in a short? Let's see what he's doing. He is in a short. I like my dude, Stock Tiger. Hmm. Kind of stalling out here. I don't know. Let's see. Gold is still pushing higher, so Oh, Sports Dawn, yeah, the meds. Oh my God, I kicked them too. I haven't gotten on any of them. They tried to put me on meds. A couple weeks ago, and yeah, it was horrible. And I 2 days I was off them. I was like, I ain't taking any of that stuff again. But yeah, man, back in those days with the Xanax, oof, that was bad. But thanks you, man. Well, my short was not working out. I'm logging off. Take care. All right, Michael. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate you hanging out. Tell Tiger to go full human algo. I like to go. Order filled, order filled. Yes, approaching session highs. So it's a good call there. Hey, TCG Andy, what's going on, buddy? What's happening? I was just talking about you earlier. So I'm gonna do a giveaway tomorrow night. I'm gonna give away a 150K take profit trader. And someone says, we might as well just give it to me now because I'm gonna win. I says, not if TCG Andy's in the competition. He's probably gonna win. TCG has won. TCG, how many giveaways have you won? You won my very first giveaway, and then you've won a bunch on other streams. The dude is he won 3 accounts just this month. Just this month. The dude is the luckiest guy. It's awesome. He's won 15 giveaways. TCG has never paid for an evaluation. Hey Joel, appreciate you, man. Hey, thank you for the sub too. There we go. There's a nice push there. I'm gonna take the 10 points. Believe it or not, that was only 10 points. He's got the fastest moves. He does, Peter. He can't play anymore. He's using some algo. Hey, A-Team, what's going on? Probably missed a Bow. Just a Bow. Bobo. Hey guys, I think I'm gonna call it there. Really good stream. I will see you guys tomorrow night. We're gonna do a take profit trader giveaway, 150K, all because you've been using my code PINE, all caps. So really appreciate it. Doing great, A-Team. And smash the like button on your way out. Use my code PINE to help support the channel. And sorry the trading wasn't that great tonight, but it's okay. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. See you, Tatum. How do you enter the Discord? Right in the top. There's a link there. I tagged it to the top. That's the Discord there. You can just join there. It's free, 100% free. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Trade safe, guys.